Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix last backup could not be completed in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back and connect your network. Solution number 2. Check iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, tap iPhone storage. Check iPhone storage. Delete unused app. Solution number 3. Sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap turn off. Turn off Apple ID. Open the setting app. Apple ID sign in back. Thanks for watching this video.